It is my honor to introduce Takashi Nishijima, President of Yokogawa Electric Corporation of Japan. Nishijima-san was promoted to this position in 2013, and Yokogawa is celebrating their 100th anniversary this year, so he is here with us with this special message for Yokogawa's 100th anniversary. Please join me welcoming Nishijima-san. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Andy. And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Takashi Nishijima, the President and Chief Operating Officer of Yokogawa. As you know, the Yokogawa Group this year will be celebrating the 100th anniversary of its founding. On behalf of all Yokogawa employees, I would like to express the deepest gratitude all the stakeholders who have helped Yokogawa prosper over the past 100 years. I also express my appreciation to Mr. Andy Chata, the President of the ARC Advisory Group and his staff, for inviting me to speak about Yokogawa in this ARC forum. Today, I'd like first to briefly look back at the past 100 years. Our history can be summarized in 2 points. 1, 100 years of continual learning from customers and society. 2, 100 years of continually striving contribution to the society by creating value for the customers. Our companies has 3 core values, 3 core values that are first formulated by Yokogawa's founder, Dr. Tamisuke Yokogawa, by having a pioneering spirit and a quality-first mindset, and by striving to contribute to the society by creating value for the customers. We will continue to be true to our founding values for the next 100 years. Let us now look at the market situation that we face today. The market can be described as a being molded and shaped by 2 intertwined phenomena, the information revolution and globalization. While global real-time connectivity over networks involves certain security risks, we see this as a business opportunity that will allow us to work more closely with our customer and create new values. In addition to our current industrial automation business, Yokogawa is planning to expand its automation business domain in ways that will allow us to create value with customers. This involves vertical sensor to enterprise system integration in organizations and horizontal expansion of supply chains, starting with the control of raw materials and extending to manufacturing execution systems and final product traceability. Let me give you an example of horizontal expansion in your supply chain management. A manufacturer of specialty chemicals that we do business with learned from one of its customers that the characteristics of products had changed in some way. This was not a matter of products being off spec, but still the user was concerned about this change. The manufacturer couldn't find the codes and was totally at a loss. Although we are an automation specialist and do not have their levels of expertise with chemical products and processes. They turn to us because of the long-term relationship and trust established between our two companies through cooperation in automation solution areas. By collecting big data from the plant that provided raw material, operational data from this manufacturer's plant, and data on the product characteristics. And then statistically analyzing all of this data together with customers' engineers in our own method. Finally, we were able to identify a contributing factor. Although the raw material characteristics were all within required range, they varied just enough to cause problems for the systems controlling production process. It could not properly respond to larger than anticipated variations. This analysis provided the information needed to create a production management system that is in use today in a wide range of facilities, including the plant that produced the raw materials. Starting out on its next 100 years, Yokogawa will continue in its effort to optimize the infrastructure that companies and communities depend on and provide its customer our automation solutions that they help vertically integrate their organizations and horizontally expand their supply chains. In so doing, we aim to achieve a more sustainable society. Thank you very much.